Hi friends, it's Auntie Cuckoo here. I'm headed into Target to give a look around, so you know I'm going to invite you guys to come along with me. Let's go shopping. So Target has put out all kinds of gardening goodies, starting off with this seed organizer. They have it in the teal. It's just a little metal tin with all kinds of little organization things on the inside for planting. They also have it in the floral for $5. Now they do have out these planters. They have them in two versions. This one says herbs. They're $5 and they're lined with a heavy plastic. Now they're both cute, but I would personally prefer if they were just totally plain. Maybe I would stain it, but you could always flip it to the other side, which is plain. They also just put out these really tall olive buckets for $3. It's a really good price. They have really nice little copper handles. And back here, hiding in the corner, I found these little gardening tools, starting with this rake for $3. And then there's a very narrow shovel for potting your flowers. I was hoping to find another tool, but those were the only two I found. Now they always put out these little gardening kits. This one is cilantro in a nice copper bucket. They have the basil in the galvanized. All of them are $3. And then they have the oregano in a very pale blue and the lavender in a little pink. I found these super cute little gardening stones. They're only $1. And isn't that the truth? Never enough time. I don't remember planting this. It made me chuckle because that happens all over our yard. And then they have it in free weeds. They have out a lot of stuff, like I said, for the garden. This is one thing I think will be very popular, these little ceramic hanging planters for $5 with the jute hangers. Very nice green and a very nice bubblegum pink. That seems to be their theme this year, as you can see from these little gnomes that are holding pink flowers. So they are a very plain gray for $3. They also have this little guy holding the flower behind his back. And they also have this little guy laying down on top of a daisy. Now these are going to be another popular item. Very cute little wooden birdhouses. I'm not sure why they are angled the way they are at the bottom, because they do have a hanger at the top, but they're only $3. That's totally unheard of for a decorative birdhouse. I love the little wooden roof on it. It's something I want to pick up when I go back in. They had so many in that gray color, but only one in the pink, and it was just a little bit messed up there on the side. I've also thought about picking them up since I left Target and painting them, because for $3, it's a great deal. They also have these little planting kits, so many of them, and the garden stakes with the copper center. All of these items are $3. Down here they have some little pots, the teal with the grow in gold for $5. And down here on the bottom shelf they had these piled up in these two versions. Never enough time in gray, but I did actually find two more in just a couple minutes. They also had the watering cans in the floral print for $5. and my favorite, which is the galvanized version. I tried to flip this one over to show you the DPCI code, but it basically blinded me. So that code will be the same as the floral. Here are the other pots I was talking about. This is just a really nice teal stripe, and they do have out the floral pattern that they're putting on all of the watering cans and gardening goodies. And going along those lines, they put out these framed pieces. So that is a clear piece of acrylic, and the frame is wooden and white. They also have this version with the wooden frame, a little bit fuller picture, and they're both $3. They do have little hangers on them. Here's more of their garden collection. These are the little kneeling boards that are made out of foam for $3. This one is the teal stripe that matches the pot we just saw. They have it in the pink, and they have it in the floral. I found some lunch boxes. So this is probably part of their summer collection. My store puts things out just randomly. These are $5. They are insulated lunch boxes. Pretty good quality, I have to say. The fabric was fairly thick and it looked like it would do well for quite a while. They also have it in the striped version, and this one, which I think is adorable, in the flamingos. It even has a little hanging flamingo from the zipper for $5. They put out 3 cents in these candles, which definitely remind me of something that White Barn would put out, just in the packaging. I did open each of them. None of them were too bad. I have to say they probably are one of the better smelling candles that I have smelled at Target, and I like the little wooden toppers. And speaking of wooden toppers, I believe they are getting ready for Mother's Day with these glass drinking bottles for $5. The one with the gold print says all sorts of versions of Mom on it. They have the floral and the heart. And this one's my favorite. It's a very light lavender polka dot. And they have all of these double wall insulated tumblers. The pink one in Beach Life for $3. And then they have the 2 blue versions. I think this print is very pretty in navy. And then they have this stripe. And I'm trying to show you up close because it looks like denim. Now a few random items. They are getting ready to gear up for their whole party section. They did this last year as well. And they are putting out the very expensive balloons. Now these at any party store would run you at least $10. You self-inflate them, and they are not helium, so they're not going to float, but they come with cords that you can hang them on in all different sayings. But one thing I found of all of them, they're only in silver. I did find a few handmade cards. Last year they did a whole section for bridal and baby showers, and I think they're doing that again this year. This tissue paper is the prettiest tissue paper I have ever seen, and it definitely looks bridal to me. For $3, it comes in this set. They have this version with the pink polka dots and stripes, and they also have it in the bluish teal color. And this is definitely wedding. It's got a bunch of gold messages on it that say the best is yet to come and groom and all sorts of things. And for all you planner people out there, they are putting out a few planner sticker sets, and I think these are a really good deal for $3. I don't even have a planner, but these are really cute stickers and you get a ton of them for $3. I found them in these two different versions. If you are looking for them, I hope you find them. Maybe this means they're going to be putting out more planner things in the near future. I also found this for $1. They're just the days of the week. And these little page dividers for $1 with the really pretty floral, pre-punched. Now, they have out a lot of toys in my Bullseye's Playground. This they had a lot of, so I don't think it was here by mistake, but I could not find a price on it. So you may just want to check it out if you're interested. I know that they're definitely putting out a lot of toys, probably trying to get those last minute buyers for Easter baskets. The Legos are back. They put these out last year. I will tell you, you get more here at Target, but the version from the Dollar Tree is a little bit more heavy duty. Now they have a ton of these sets of slime with the different mix-ins and these little squishies that you can make. I was trying so hard to find prices for you guys, but they're just not there. They just put out these really cute little felt food sets for $3. I always enjoy looking at these. Makes me feel like a kid again. I think the s'more set is absolutely adorable. And this one with the ice cream and the popsicle is just too much. That is just so, so cute. Now around the corner they have this little vegetable garden kit. Really adorable. In a little box it says Farmer's Market for $5. And I found more slime kits and putty kits with mix-ins. And a few of these things actually ended up having prices for the Bullseye's Playground. So I know that they're just rolling these out. They have the light up putty and a make your own moon sand kit. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little shop with me at Target Bullseye's Playground. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all very soon in the next video.